What if I told you that some of the most powerful forces shaping your life are completely invisible? You cannot see them, you cannot feel them, and yet they are everywhere. Inside your body, on your skin, in the air you breathe, and even in the food you eat. They are called bacteria, and for most of human history, people feared them. We associate bacteria with disease, infection, and danger. But the truth is far more complex. Because while some bacteria can harm you, most of them are not your enemies. In fact, without bacteria, you would not be alive. Bacteria are microscopic, single-celled organisms that exist in almost every environment on Earth. From the deepest parts of the ocean, to the coldest glaciers, to the human body itself. They have been here for billions of years, long before humans even existed, and over time, they have become deeply connected to life itself. Now here is something that might change how you see your own body. You are not alone. Inside you live trillions of bacteria, forming complex communities that work together in ways we are only beginning to understand. These bacteria are not random, they are organized, they communicate, and they play essential roles in keeping you alive. Let's start with something simple, digestion. Every time you eat, your body begins breaking down food. But here is the catch. Your body cannot do it alone. Many of the nutrients you consume cannot be fully processed without the help of bacteria. These microscopic organisms help break down food into forms your body can actually use. Without them, much of what you eat would pass through your system without providing real benefit. Now think about that for a moment. Every meal you eat is not just feeding you, it is feeding an entire ecosystem inside your body. And that ecosystem determines how much energy you actually get from your food. But digestion is just the beginning. Bacteria also play a crucial role in protecting your body. They occupy space inside your system, preventing harmful bacteria from taking over. Some even produce substances that fight off dangerous pathogens. In a way, they act as your internal defense system, an invisible army constantly working to keep you safe. Now here is where things get even more fascinating. Bacteria may also influence your mind. Research has shown that the communities of bacteria in your gut are connected to your brain. This connection can affect your mood and behavior, which means that what happens in your gut does not stay in your gut. It affects how you experience the world. Now let's talk about balance. Not all bacteria are good. There are harmful bacteria that can cause serious diseases, but in a healthy system, beneficial bacteria keep harmful ones under control. They compete for resources and maintain stability inside your body. But when this balance is disrupted, problems begin. This imbalance can happen for many reasons, like poor diet, stress, or overuse of antibiotics. And when the balance is lost, harmful bacteria can grow more easily, increasing the risk of disease. Taking care of your internal ecosystem is vital. Now let's explore something even deeper. Bacteria are incredibly diverse. They come in many shapes and forms. Some thrive in oxygen-rich environments. Others survive only where there is no oxygen at all. Some live in extreme heat or freezing cold. This ability to adapt is what makes bacteria so powerful. They reproduce rapidly, often by splitting into two identical cells. They can also exchange genetic material, becoming stronger and more resistant over time. This brings us to antibiotic resistance. For decades, antibiotics have saved millions of lives. But over time, bacteria have adapted and evolved. Infections, once easy to treat, are becoming more dangerous. Understanding bacteria is more important than ever. But bacteria are not just about disease. They recycle nutrients in nature, break down waste, and help create food like yogurt and cheese. They are even used in science to develop new treatments. In many ways, bacteria are the foundation of life itself. Now let's bring this back to you. Every decision you make affects this invisible world. You are shaping an ecosystem. So the next time you think about health, remember, deep inside your body, there is a hidden world constantly influencing your life. And once you understand that, you will never see your body the same way again.